It's 7 a.m. and I'm gonna do my makeup. Enjoy.
She's a Mona Lisa.
Before I do my makeup, I have to put on a wig. My hair is just, it's not it right now. I can't really make this work. So we're gonna put on a wig.
A potato flew around.
So this is our wig. She is 23 or 24 inches. I'm not sure. So now I'm literally just gonna brush her out because she's crazy. And no, she's not glued on. That's why you can see everything. So the glue that I use for my wigs is the Ghost Bond glue. I got this off Amazon. It had a lot of negative reviews in my opinion, but it's so good and strong. Yikes. I'm really gonna regret this. I literally suck at everything I do. I'm so sorry. So I went through some wig complications. We got it over with. Now we're just gonna brush her out some more. I look like an elf, but don't pay attention to that. This is such an important step in makeup, especially if you have dry skin or if you wash your face a lot. Next up are our eyebrows. Up. I don't know how many.
Stupid.
Outline the bottom of the eyebrow. And then outline the top of the eyebrow. Dab it all in. For the inner part of your eyebrow, you don't want to go too crazy, but you do want to make like a faint line, kind of connecting the entire eyebrow. Now we're going to do this eyebrow. So she kind of thick and she kind of not, but we're going to fix it with concealer. So now we're going to go in with our L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. We're just going to outline the bottom, top, middle. Try to fix this situation. So this eyebrow is not looking too hot. Maybe it's because it's 7 in the morning. Okay, so just did this eyebrow. Now we're just going to blend it out with our not damp beauty blender because I haven't went to wet it yet. Now we're done. Now there's sisters, twins. Now for our eyes, we want to conceal and then blend it with our beauty blender. So for my eyes, I'm going to be using my Jaclyn Hill palette. I want my main focus of my eye to be my eyeliner, not the color. So we're just going to be using this color. It's very neutral. Apply it all over the eye. Now it's time to use the same eyeliner I've been using since I was in high school, 9th grade, 10th grade. I really don't know. It's from Revlon. A very important trick that I've learned from YouTube is if you want to get this part of your eyeliner right, like on the lid, a good thing to do is spread out your eye like this and then literally draw the line, and it'll prevent any like bumps or anything like that. Now I'm going to try my best to not F up this wing, but no promises. Go like this, connect the top to there. You fill it in. So after you F up your eyeliner like I just did now, you literally just go like this with our concealer. Try to fix her up a little bit because she's a little bit crazy right now. That's much better. Much better. This is as good as it's gonna get.
And
So for my lashes, I'm gonna be using my Morphe So Glamorous lashes. Tweezers are a better option, but this works too. This one, honestly, I think it's crooked. So, I know a lot of people don't approve of this, I guess, but I do. I just like how it looks, and I feel like it makes my fake eyelashes curl more. So now that we're finally freaking done our eyes, it's time to move on to the face. So for my primer, I'm using the Benefit Professional Primer. We're gonna put a good amount on our face. Since this is a Glam beach, we're going to use our setting spray, or this is also Fix Plus. You can use this whenever you want during your makeup. And we're just gonna spray this all over our face to create a moisturizing texture for our foundation to lay on and blend. Okay. It's a glow. It's natural, bitch. Natural glow. So for my foundation, I'm going to be mixing the L'Oreal Infallible with the Born This Way by Too Faced, because I feel like this is low-key too light and this is low-key not my color anymore, so I feel like they blend perfectly together to give me the perfect shade. So now that we have that, we're just gonna take our beauty blender and blend it all. It's time to draw our triangles. I'm not gonna go crazy this time because this is lighter than me. In order to have that matte ass glam face, we're going to want to bake our entire face. Not bake, but just dab it with our setting powder. You're going to want to do this after every time you apply a liquid on your face. And we're going to go back in with our Matte Fix Plus. We're going to spray our entire face in order to bring back moisture into our face and give us another glow. You do this every time after you apply a powder. So you do the setting powder every time you apply liquid, and you do the setting spray or the Fix Plus or whatever type of spray you have when you apply a powder. I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. Oh, I can't get enough of that smell. I really can't. And we're going to contour the F out of our cheeks. Okay, we want to be snatched. So I don't use liquid contour or like contour sticks. I've never been good with blending those ever. I know it looks so crazy, but that's what the setting powder is for. If you put anything too much, just either take it all off. I wouldn't recommend taking this off, but take it all off, or just go with something neutral over it to cover it up, even if you have to put more than what you originally started with. To me, the most satisfying part of makeup is probably getting the line really good. A trick to getting your setting powder line right for your contour is to look straight ahead and just follow the shape that you want it to give your face, instead of going like this or going like this. Just literally, like, you see how this one's higher than this one? You literally just look straight ahead and you kind of follow the natural outline of your cheek. You feel it. You don't have to have like strong ass cheekbones to feel your cheekbone. You want to bake the cake, girl. So the setting powder that I use is the Airspun one, which is, I believe, like $6 maybe at Walgreens, Rite Aid, Walmart, Target, you know the deal, drugstore. I got this a few years ago. I don't know if it has an expiration date, but I got it a few years ago and it's still not even empty at all compared to like Laura Mercier or anything else that you get. I don't really tend to crease under my eyes, so maybe it's not that necessary for me to do this, but if you do crease under your eye easily, then I would definitely recommend you putting a lot of this on or leaving it for a longer period of time. So for my blush, I actually ran out of my blush, so I'm going to be using a palette, my 35B palette from Morphe. This shade or this shade? I'm not sure. Very lightly start applying it. So now for my highlighter, I'm actually going to be taking my Ofra Cosmetics highlighter. First, we're going to start off with a dry highlight, and then we're going to make it more dramatic with it, you know. We love a good highlight. Now I'm going to do what I do best. For the finishing touch, we're going to spray our entire face with this.
Jesus Christ.
Give ourselves a little baptism, you know. Glow. And now it's time to finally let my hair flow and change my outfit. So this is the final look. This is the shirt I decided to wear just because it's white, so it makes the hair stand out and my makeup too. So now it's time to go take some pictures. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this get ready with me during this time of quarantine. If you did like it, give it a big thumbs up, and remember to follow my social media below so you can have all the updates on when I'm gonna post a new video. So this is my makeup in better lighting, and also my wig. If you guys want me to do a wig haul, tell me in the comments below, because I will be more than glad to do it, considering all the wigs that I have not even worn yet. So I think that now I'm getting really tired, so I'm going to go take my makeup off and go back to bed. So please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed me getting up at 7 in the morning just to do my makeup, just to take like 20 pictures and be done with my day.